Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, ISC and West Bengal Board. Linear regression part 6. That means you have already got 5 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book, exercise 2, sum number 22. Large sum of this exercise, there are 3 parts, including all parts you may not expect in exam. Maximum 1 or 2 parts will be given in the exam, but this type of sum you may expect in exam. Now please pay your attention on the solution. Taking final grade in algebra as X. This is the marks in algebra and this is physics. Algebra for X and in physics as Y. Let assume in A for X. Assume in any one of these variable we may consider as assuming, but 80, any zero figure number if you consider, that will be easier for calculation. This is why I have taken 80, and B equal to 80 for Y, that is here also we are getting 80. This is why I have taken 80. Table is given below. You have to make a table. X, that is X, you have to write all the values of X, and U equal to X minus 80. 80, that is assuming 70, that is 75, and assuming that is 80, so 75 minus 80, that is minus 5, and here X minus 80, X is 80 and assuming 80, so 0. In this way, 93 minus 80, that is 13, 65 minus 80, that is minus 15, 87 minus 80, that is 7, 71 minus 80, that is minus 9. In this way, all the values we are writing here. Then we have to take the U square. What we are getting for U, we have to make it square, that is 5 square, that is 25, 0, 0, that is 13 square, that is 169. In this way, we are getting these values for U square. Then we have to write Y. Y, that is 82, 78, 86. In this way, all the values for Y we have to write in this way. Then we have to find out B equal to Y minus 80. Y minus 80, that is 80 is the assuming. 82 minus 80, that is 2. 78 minus 80, that is minus 2. In this way, we are getting the values for B equal to Y minus 80. Now we have to find out the value of B square. That is 2 square, that is 4, minus 2 square, that is 4. In this way, we are getting the values for B square. Then we have to find out value for UV, U into V. This is U and this is V. U is minus 5 and V is 2. So by multiplication, we are getting minus 10. In this way, 0 into minus 2, that is 0. In this way, all the values what we are getting, that we have to write in this table. Then we have to add. By adding this, we are getting minus 2, and by adding this, we are getting 1042, and by adding this V, that is we are getting 19. In this way, V square equal to 635 and UV equal to 685. Now we have to find out both the least square lines. Here the number of observation. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of observation, that is 10. We have to find out mean of X, that is bar X. Formula, that is A plus sigma U by N. Number of observation N. And assuming that is 80, 80 plus U. Value of U we are getting minus 2 and value of N, that is 10. After writing, then by simplifying, we are getting 79.8. By using calculator, easily you will get this value. And Y, that is bar Y, mean Y, that is B plus sigma V by N. Then value of B, that is 80. Value of B 80 and value of V, sigma V, that is sigma V, that is this, that is 19, and this is 10, that is by 10. By calculation, we are getting 81.8. In this way, we are getting the value of mean value of X and Y. Then from the formula, we are getting Byx equal to this. After writing the formula, we have to write the relevant values. Value of u, that is value of u, only u. This is value of u. No, UV, sorry, value of UV, that is 685, 1 by n, that is 1 by 10, value of u, that is -2, and value of v, that is 19, this, and u square, that is 1048, n, that is 1 by 10, and u, that is value -2, so -2 whole square. After putting the relevant values, then by simplifying we are getting 0.66. Similarly, we have to find out bxy. After writing the formula, we have to put the relevant values. After putting relevant values, then by simplifying we are getting 1.19. What's the difference between this? This is uv, same, numerator same, and denominator here is u square, here is u square. This is v square and this is v square. If you compare, then easily you can remember. Then we have to find out part 1, regression line of y on x. That is this the formula, y minus bar x equal to byx into x minus bar x. After writing the formula, then we have to put the relevant values, y minus 81.9, that is 81.9, we are getting this value. Then byx, that is 0.66, then x, and then bar x, that is value of bar x, we are getting 79.8, 79.8 bar x, 79.8. Then by simplifying we are getting finally y equal to 0.66x plus 29.293. This is the required, that is least square lines. This is the one line we are getting, this is the answer. And next line, similarly, the regression line of x on y. This is the formula. After writing the formula, same way we have to put the relevant values. After putting the relevant values, we have to simplify. By simplifying, we are getting x equal to 1.15y minus 14.385. This is the another lines. We have got the 2 lines. Then we have to find out part 2, if a student receives 75 marks in algebra, what is his expected score in physics? Part 2, when x equal to 75, that is given marks for in algebra, then y equal to this, y, this is the formula. After writing this formula, in place of x we have to put 75, then simplifying we are getting finally 79. Similarly, the answer which statement we have to write, his expected score in physics is 79. And part 3, if a student receives 95 in physics, what is his expected score in algebra? When this y equal to 95 marks in physics, then writing this formula, that is this, in y we have to put the value 95. By simplifying we are getting this finally 95, value of x 95. So his expected score in algebra is 95. Lengthy sum but very simple. You have to remember the formula and you have to put the relevant values correctly. Then you will get, easily you will get the solution. Okay, thank you everybody.